Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite unable to log into Fortnite servers on PC. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you want to go ahead and close Epic Games Launcher and also go to your Task Manager. On Task Manager you want to close any Epic Games Launcher related tasks. So for example, that would be Fortnite. You want to click End the task and do this for Epic Games Launcher right there, end the task. After you've done that, you want to write down Epic Games Launcher on the search bar and open file location right there. Once it will open up, you want to again open file location on Epic Games Launcher shortcut, just like so, and then you will see this file which you need to go to properties to. So go to properties. From here you want to click compatibility and you want to tick these three. So run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as administrator. Then click apply and OK. Now once you've done with that, if that didn't fix the problem, you want to write down cmd command prompt and run it as administrator, just like so, and then click yes. Now it will open up like so, and you want to go ahead and write down two commands. So one would be ipconfig space / flush DNS, and another one would be netsh winsock reset. After this one, you need to restart your computer in order to complete it. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.